A very warm welcome to all. My name is Atiksha Prajapat and I am here presenting my PowerPoint presentation on the topic technological advancement and its application on visual impairment. So, in this presentation, first of all, we are going to know about the technological advancement for visually impaired students. This, this presentation shows the braille technologies and other technologies impact on the visual impairment. Here are two videos of explaining how the visual impairment technological advancement have impacted the worldwide and the Indian nation. The first video shows The first video shows the technological advancement in Perkins Institute. Student so here the student is named is Sophia and she was explaining that how technology made it easier to uh, see her text, and the second video shows the Shrikant Bola on Instagram. It's an incredible milestone as he opened a blind people institution in Mumbai, where the blind students can use all the technologies to learn more. It's kind of an audible lab. Next one is understanding the challenges. Now we will discuss about the challenges what the students face as a visually impaired person. Visual impairment significantly impacts learning. As we all know, any kind of disability hurdles the learning of a student, and here the visual impairment does too. Impact on learning, challenges with reading, writing, and assessing visual content. Obviously, a blind person cannot see the content presented to him or her, and that makes it challenging for her to read the content, assess the content, and interpret it. Significant number of students affected worldwide. Their blindness is not blindness is become a very common phenomenon nowadays. Students has facing the low vision or complete blindness. Need for technology, as this is a problem we severely needs to we there is a severe needs to cope up with this problem. So we need, as we are day by day we are advancing in technology, we have to get into some technologies so we can pass this hurdle. For this, the first first technological advancement is screen readers. Screen readers is kind of assessing digital content. uh, the laptops and the computers we use to assess the content, screen reader convert digital text into speech or braille. Like whatever content is showing on the screen, it can be turned into braille. A kind of mechanism, a calculator type of a mechanism is attached to the laptop or your computer, and that whatever content is showing on the screen will turn into a braille, and student can read through it. Customizable feature provide personalized learning experiences, or we can provide customizable features. It has features that can provide personalized learning experiences. Customizable features are that you can learn it in your language or whatever language are known to the student. Text to speech, it also converts basic things like whatever is on the screen, it speaks it aloud to the student so it can be hearable. Website navigation navigates websites effectively. It has students to navigate different websites. So if you want to use Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, it can easily make him to do it. Even though he cannot see it, he can use that mechanism to get through it. Software usage compatible with various programs. It is compatible with various from either it is Microsoft or any other software the system is using. It can easily go through it. Here the next one is magnificent software enhancing visibility. There are some software which enhance visibility for the low vision people. Magnificent software enhances on screen visibility, user customized color contrast and font size. Whoever suffering with the low vision, that is, they are not completely blind but suffering with low vision. This software helps them to enhance the text quality, fonts, and their color designs so they can easily see it. Like enlarge text for easier reading. Text magnification enlarges text to the point where the low vision person or student can see it easily. Image viewing, it enhances the visibility of images. If the person is colorblind or something is low vision with a problem of low vision with him, he can see it clearly. Application use, improve usability of software applications. The software applications with works with certain limitations, it enhances their workability and helps to improve the usability of software applications. The next one is braille technology. As we have already discussed the braille technology, that this we can attach a mechanism. Here is the video which can exactly show you how the mechanism works. You can easily go through this video and see that how the mechanism works in the braille system. It tactile access, you can touch. Tactile means you can touch and see the digital content through this mechanism. Create printed braille materials, it can also print to the content in the braille material or enhance the reading writing abilities. Next is OCR technology, converting print to digital. OCR technology means whatever is printed, you can convert it into digital. Scanning, capture printed texts, conversion, transform text to digital format. Accessibility, create accessible documents. Voice recognition software. Voice recognition software is a very effective tool for the person who is blind or suffering with the low vision problem, as the low it has it is their strength to speak and access the content easily. Dictation is the very common for this. Speak to create text, as we can all use it in the phone, laptop, or even on computers. Control operate device hands free. uh, we can use the hands-free control like Siri. Yes, this type of mechanisms are now fitted into the computer and laptop, so the person with low vision or blindness can easily find info quickly. It helps them to find the information quickly without struggling or hurdling their learning process. 3D printing, creating tactile models and learning aids. 3D printing creates tactile model. This means tactile model is, we all know the tactile meaning is the touch. We can touch the printed model and feel it, whatever the image or whatever the text it was forming. Students explore science and math concepts tangibly, which is very essential for especially the science and maths concepts, because it uses the calculations and the diagrams or different experiments which the student can't see. And if they can't see, they cannot learn, and they cannot learn, then it means the learning is very unmeaningful to them. To make it meaningful, it uses the 3D printings so that student can touch and experience whatever the experiments or the image or the model diagrams are showing. So they can make a picture of that experiment or the diagram in their head and assess the learning easily. Tangible learning, create tactile learning materials. Science and math, model for concept, as I said, model for complex concepts, and enhance understanding. Whenever you can touch a thing or make an image, you are able to make an image of that thing in your head, you can easily learn it. Mobile apps and accessibility on the go. Mobile is the foremost thing everyone has in their hand, and it makes it the most accessible device. So the mobile leads in the forefront for the learning of the digital content. Mobile apps provide accessibility on the go. Object recognition, it is very popular now. Whoever suffering with the low vision or the blindness, the object recognition is the foremost app he or she will have in his or her phone. Object recognition is an app used to identify the objects near you, so it will minimize the chances of getting dodged or getting hit by that thing, or you can walk easily, or reduce the chances of any type of accidents. And text to speech support independence. Whatever is written in the phone, it will tell you aloud, and it will support independence to you. Navigate assistance ensures safe travel. Whenever your navigation is on in your phone, it can assist safe travels, as it will speak aloud the all the directions for you. Object recognition, text to speech, and navigation is the three main points we have discussed in this slides. For whom? Mobile